ER bed that was put on a single rear wheel Ford F-350 chassis truck. This bed is now for sale, and we're going to pull it off when somebody buys it. It's been on there for a couple of seasons. Still in great shape. Right here, this fender was brought in. You can see how thick the front fender is here. Okay, we moved the fender in so it would look better on this truck because it's just a single rear wheel. But this bed will, and actually was made for a dually, and we can put it back to a dually or keep it single rear wheel for you. Real nice bed.